Good morning, everyone. I am Ramapandian, studying in final year of Biomedical Engineering in Erode Singundra Engineering College. That's here to Healthcare Product Development Seminar topic on ethical surveillance in human clinical tests and informative contents. Introduction. The ethical surveillance in human clinical tests are mostly used to systemic research. It is participation of the human designed to test new drugs and medical device safety, efficient and side effect. It is most used to the space 1 to 4 pace in small safety purpose to larger safety purpose. Clinical tests is mostly used to the medicine and safety safety for medical equipments. It is mostly used to the help to patient health and right participant. It why ethical are important. Why ethical are important. Most used to the ethical in important to the human. The ethical the ethical are important to the physical and physiological damage to the patient. It mostly used to the uh, ethical into the aim, product and risk to the patient. It is used to the maintenance to very important to the ethical to next we have to key ethical principle respect for personal anatomy. He mostly used to the understanding the all purpose of and study the human body, special care and the limited diagnostic, making capability and benefits of the ethical principle. He mostly used to the research must the benefits and minimize the possible risk. It is used to the risk to the mandatory to the mandatory to the participant. J risk benefits is mostly used to the fail selected the subject in share the risk. Research benefits should mean equality to the all communication. Key ethical principle mainly physical and physiological term is used to the all patient. Explain and analysis of the benefits and risk. It is used to the mostly used to the PSP and AOIR. Reduce of the unnecessary risk. Anatomy and confinement of meaning the relative risk to all. Justification for the investment and individual group is mostly used to the risk of the under externality of the sender group. Is mostly application in the highlands analysis of the ethical principle. Merge Major ethical challenge. It is used to risk versus benefits in balance. Difference the outcome of the the participation in the game. Leg to transformation. Select the publication or suppression of negative result and trust. Final, finally, finally in the interrogation. The most used to the participant safety. Next, use the possible of the life is used to the condition for the ethical surveillance. Next, as you have to variable publication group requires special ethical content because they may not be about the fully own interest. It is mostly used to the own interest for the patient. Example: children ethical mentally aids etc. used to the population of the own investment. What is informant content? It mostly used to the concept in see up the ethical challenge in the fundamental of ethical and logical requirement in the participants in the track community. The process of including information recoveries, comparison, validation, more three processes used to the information concept. First, the information dictionary. It is used to the purpose, producement, risk, benefits, and excellence clearly to the concept. It mostly used to the fully understanding the explain the small and larger non-technical language. இது no pressure and main pumping the permanent. Participation gave risk to withdraw the any time without minutes. Next, you have to challenge in informative concept. Challenge in informative concept mostly used to the comparability of the information. It is any information of the participation limited education to the concept. Low lander it is the low different to some read the understanding the concept the form. It is the emergency research. Emergency research so in time and start operate fully the near the impulse. Next we have the challenge in the informative concepts. First see of the diagram. First the concept of the study, next the information, அடுத்து discuss to relate the marketing. Fourth step is interrogation of the follow up the step. Fifth end of the study. It is the very long process of the content. Next ethical oversight the ethical oversighting is mostly used to the IRB and EC. It mostly used to purpose of the ethical oversighting advantage of the this title in most used the ethical guidance to participate in the right safety and purpose of the study. Improve the research capability. We mostly improve the research and capability of the public research outcome. Disadvantage of the this title mostly used to approval process is very lengthy. It is very approval in information of the research timeline. It is the cost is high. Approval process is so high, so cost is so high. Application of the this title truck and vacuum development. Truck development is most important to the this title. Medical device evaluation. It is mostly used to medical device safety and performance of the diagnostic and therapeutic equipment. Public health research is mostly used to the ethical. This will help to do the program. Thank you.